Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 14. Wow, 2 weeks left. Very light week this week, so I'll keep it relatively brief. As you can see on the homepage here, there's only 2 assignments due this week. One of them, the group project proposal, is super easy. This is where you're just telling me your group project topic. And I give you an example here, like this is like a 1 sentence thing. I just want to make sure that you're on the right track, that you've thought about it. And so you submit one of these per group. And the description there's a link to the description here. All right. And here, as a matter of fact, right? So that's due on the 23rd. What is that, Saturday? So that's due on Sunday, excuse me. All right, so that's your first assignment. The second one is your quote-unquote blog post. It's counting as a blog post grade, but it's actually a course survey. And so just answer all these questions. This is kind of some feedback on the course. That's really what it is, feedback on the course. So both the academic content, the sustainability content, but also the sort of travel content. So you can see there's 2 pages here. And just by answering all these questions, you get full credit for that assignment. Okay, so that's it for this week. Real light week. Focus on getting ready to travel. Focus on your other classes. And next week is also pretty light. You can see really just signing up for a tour guide presentation next week. So this is your chance to really buckle down, finish the semester strong. Most of your major assignments are done for this course at this point. But you should be also meeting with your group to come up with your group project. Remember, as you can see here, the week after the semester's over, as I mentioned a bunch of times, your group project is due, and then you do a presentation. And that's all. The presentation is face-to-face, in person, finally, yay. And so you do that presentation on Thursday down in Dover. So remember, mark your calendars, Thursday, May 4th. 5:30 p.m. Dover. This is a mandatory meeting, and this will be a good opportunity for everyone to meet face to face, do some presentations, discuss sort of final travel arrangements. Speaking of travel arrangements, we had a great meeting today with our vendor over in Italy, SAI. Great people. We talked to Marco and Chiara, who will be our points of contact over there. We'll provide all of that information whenever we get all of the contact information. But one thing that I wanted to point out is that, so based on this meeting, the goal of this meeting was to finalize the itinerary. Like we had an itinerary set, but not like some of the specifics. And so we have everything pretty much set. There's a couple more things that there are kind of some potential rearranging to do. So I just want to give you a heads up that you will have a full day-to-day, hour-to-hour itinerary for our travel there, hopefully within the next week. And so once that's published, or when that's provided, we'll send out an email. But I also wanted to take this opportunity to let you know that I don't know how many of you have noticed this travel and supplemental documents folder. But we'll put the itinerary in here, and any other important travel information we'll put in there as well. But there's some Italian language tips in here, not a whole lot, but and then there's a preparation checklist as well. And so that's the preparation checklist that a lot of you have asked about. So that has the flight information and phone numbers and so forth. Okay, so anyway, we'll put the itinerary in there, and hopefully that'll be coming out in the next week or so. But that's really it for today. I hope everyone has enjoyed the course content and is looking forward to applying that course content or learning more about it. We're really excited about the travel component. I have to say I'm kind of jealous, but I'm really, really excited for you all. It's just going to be an amazing experience. So anyway, keep an eye out for that soon. It's all good stuff. It's just like I can kind of feel it coming, right? Like the semester's almost over, the travel's going to happen soon, and you're just really going to have an amazing experience. So super excited for y'all. Okay, as usual, if you have any questions, reach out via email. Otherwise, I'll at least see you in a couple weeks, which is very exciting. All right, everyone, have a great week.